So you're trying to get to your expert terrain and it requires a T-bar ride. It ends up stopping like 5 fucking times due to misloads. Yeah, we all share that frustration. Well, today I am going to attempt to fix that. I will be giving a tutorial on how to load a T-bar. So next time you see someone fail to load a T-bar, tell them they fucking suck at skiing and send them the link to this video. Fuck those goddamn intermediate skiers. They are all a bunch of American idiots, all part of a redneck agenda. Anyway, I hope you all are having a happy Friday, and let's get on with the tutorial. Alright, so here in North America, we got a serious problem. And I mean a serious problem. So many people do not know how to load a fucking T-bar. That's a big problem. So today we're gonna go back to fucking square one, go back to skiing 101, and I'm gonna fucking teach you guys how to load a fucking T-bar. Like seriously, it's a fucking T-bar. How could you possibly misload that? Yeah, I've been doing this shit for 20 years. I don't think I've ever misloaded a T-bar. So first you gotta wait in this ridiculously long line. So I'll do that real quick. Alright, so we're almost to the front of the line. And yeah, so the key is you want to stay standing the entire time. You don't ever want to squat down. If you squat down, you're cooked. Yeah, follow the person, the one in front of you, just like a chairlift. Hold your poles on one side, look on the other side, and then grab it, and then just let it lean against your ass. And it will slingshot you up. And then if you have a second person, like they'll just do the same thing right next to you and do it on the opposite side. Very simple. I don't know why it's so hard for so many people. Like seriously, it's like if you can't fucking load a T-bar, you should just get your pass pulled for fucking life. But yeah. Now you just ride the thing up like you're skiing. Want to make sure that you're going straight. You don't want to be going zigzaggy or any of that. Otherwise you'll piss off ski patrol if they see you doing that. Also, it's probably dangerous. And then if you fall off the T-bar, which you shouldn't be, because hopefully you know how to fucking ride a T-bar. You want to egress out to your right or left. Don't try and hop on the T-bar of another person that's behind you. Someone tried to do that to me earlier today. It did not go too well. But yeah, that's the thing. Once you're off the T-bar, you're off the T-bar. So there's no coming back on. As much as you may wanna. You gotta go back to the bottom and try again. But yeah, that's why T-bars typically become choke points. One of the reasons, because a lot of people misload the T-bar and they have to stop it. Or even if they don't have to stop it, a lot of times they let people get another try if they fail to load the T-bar. Alright, we're getting close to the end here. So what you want to do once you get to the end is you want to hold on to the T-bar, and it will kind of flatten out, so it'll make it easier. So you want to kind of like pull back on it a little. Yeah, so you want to pull back on it, you know, give it some tension, and then release it, and then go whatever direction you want. Like try and stay out of the tow path so you don't get in other people's way. Yeah, and then you go and ski your run. There we go. Very fucking simple. I don't know why it's so hard for so many people. Well, that was the skiing portion. Now, unfortunately, skiers aren't the main reason the T-bar stops so much. It is snowboarders. Now, I unfortunately have never touched a snowboard in my life, so I had to go badger my snowboarder friend Liam up in Canada to record a tutorial on how to load a T-bar on a snowboard. So for you snowboarders, you definitely do not want to miss this one.
Yeah, just trying to get some footage of my own home. Thank you. Yeah, so riding a T-bar is simple. You just need to stand as you would in a standard stance that you would when you're snowboarding. It's pulling you. You don't want to lean back, squat down, or try and lean forward at all. It's easy to get pulled forward, but as long as you keep your weight 50-50 and just your knees bent and your stance strong, it is simple. Let it pull you. I guess try not to let the pressure on the inside of your thigh bother you. It's the same as whether you're riding on the left or the right side. If you're regular, it's easier if you're facing the center bar, because then you can just grab it and hold on to it. But it's not exactly hard at all to swap around. I don't know. This, I feel like you have a slightly high tendency to slip off, but it's not bad either. Just stand up, let it pull you. And most importantly, do not sit down. But I feel like that goes a little without saying.
Now, as you probably could tell, Liam is a lot nicer than I am. Unlike him, I don't put up with bullshit. And in the US, tariffs on patience are at an all-time high right now, and I don't have any of it left, which is why I made this video. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this very important video. Please leave your feedback down below. Discord link in the description, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out.